Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be in an Ability Wars match with active players and a class that can roam and kill quickly. Once in, equip a mobility and burst build so you can contest cores and escort objectives. Move immediately to mid lane or flagged points. Secure a kill or assist within the first 2 minutes to build momentum. Make sure to communicate your target to teammates and hold space for follow-up. This early pressure creates badge progress. Now execute the complex middle steps. Prioritize fights where you can get multiple kills or assists in quick succession. Once done, use your ability to isolate a single target or force opponents into choke points so teammates can finish them. Rotate between objectives on a predictable timer to maximize presence and share credit. Keep ability cooldowns staggered with teammates. That increases team kill rates and badge increments. Make steady plays rather than risky solo. For the final steps, concentrate on closing out the match with guaranteed multi-kills or clutch assists near objectives. Use your ultimate or coordinated combos to turn teamfights decisively. Once done, mop up remaining enemies and confirm badge thresholds are met. If progress stalls, don't tunnel. Call a reset, regroup, and take a clean, coordinated fight instead of chaotic skirmishing. Troubleshooting tip. If kills aren't counting, relog and rejoin the same map. Server desyncs sometimes block badge updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.